If I had to start my business credit from zero in 2026, I would not apply for a single credit card. Let me repeat myself. I would not apply for a single credit card, not one. And that's exactly why most people stay stuck. They chase money before they build a business that can hold money. And then they wonder why they keep getting denied. Hey besties, sit down and let's have a quick talk. I know a lot of you guys are trying to level up right now. You're starting businesses, side hustles, brands, and LLCs. You're trying to do everything right, and I like to commend you on that. But nobody really explains how the financial side actually works in real life. And I don't want you out here working this hard and still invisible to lenders. In today's video, I am going to tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start my business credit over again in 2026. Make sure you take notes. There's no tricks, there's no shortcuts, just the right order, because order is what makes it work. First things first, we must build a foundation. Before you ask a bank or a lender for money, your business must look real. Think about when you're building a house. You would never put a roof on the house before you build the wall and the ground, right? You pour the foundation. Same thing with business credit. If I am starting over, this is what I would fix first. Number one, my LLC is active and not expired. I would make sure that my EIN matches my business name. Very important, guys. I would have a business bank account and actually use that bank account. I would have a real business email. Guys, no more Gmail or Yahoo, professional. I would have a business phone number, a 1-800-1855, a professional phone number that is real. And I also would make sure my address is a professional address, not the address to my home, but maybe a virtual address. You may be asking yourself why. And the reason is because banks ask one question. Is this business temporary or is this business real? And if it looks temporary, they will treat you temporary. Money comes to businesses that look organized and real. Money does not come to messy businesses. Number two, show you can handle small money. After the foundation is set, now we build trust. Let me make this simple. If someone lends you $20 and you give it back fast, guess what? The next time they may lend you $200. That's exactly how business credit works. Banks want to see if you pay your bills, and do you pay on time, and can you handle small amounts first? Now, if I'm rebuilding, I would open vendor accounts that report to the business credit bureaus. I will use them a little, pay them back early, and not just on time, I would pay them back early. Paying early tells lenders that you are reliable and they can trust you. Another suggestion, number three, stop rushing. This part saves people a lot of stress. Rushing is where most people mess up. Social media makes it look like everyone's getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in 30 days. Negative. That is marketing. Real business credit takes steps and it takes time. If you try to apply too fast, you're getting denied. Your profile looks weak. You slow yourself down. Business credit is like going to the gym. You don't lift the heaviest weight on day one. You build strength slowly. Slow and steady makes you powerful. Fast and messy makes you fragile. Patience is not wasting time. Patience is being smart. Suggestion number four, apply at the right time. So once your business looks real and you've taken the steps that I've shared with you, and once you've shown good payment history, now it's time to apply. But you apply smart, not emotional and not desperate. Every application should match where your business actually is. If your business is small, apply for small limits first. As you grow, your approvals grow. Strong businesses apply with strategy. Weak businesses apply with hope. Hope is not strategy. That's desperation. And number 5, change how you think about credit. Business credit is not free money. It's a tool. A hammer can build a house or it can tear it down. How you use it is this. Small business owners use credit to buy things that make them money. And they also invest in growth as well as create new opportunities for that business. Struggling business owners use credit the wrong way. They use it to cover bills, fix emergencies, and survive. Credit should grow your business, not rescue your chaos. Simple recap. If I had to start over from zero in 2026, I would, number 1, build the base, the foundation. Number 2, show good payment habits. Number 3, move slow and steady. And number 4, apply at the right time and use that credit to grow, not survive. That's it. Simple but powerful. Now, if you are at 0 right now, don't stress. That's not a bad place. Been there, done that. 0 means clean. 0 means fresh. 0 means you can build it the right way. And when you build it right, it lasts. If you're serious about building real business credit, the smart way, the steady way, being consistent, go ahead and click subscribe this channel, like this video, and I tell you, we're gonna build business credit the right way. I'll see you on the next video, and I love you guys.